You look at the spot gold market going down and you think, oh my God, that's gold, it's going down. That's not. That is the paper contract specifically created and designed to manage your perception of gold so that you stay away from it. Because once you have that physical gold in your possession, guess what? It's out of the system and it's invisible to these central bankers. And it's real money, and they don't want you to have it.
When economic times get tough or international conflicts such as the one with Russia and Ukraine disrupt markets, investors often turn to gold and silver as a safe haven. With inflation skyrocketing and the stock market well below its highs, some investors are looking for a safe haven asset that has a proven track record of earnings, and that's gold and silver. Investors love gold for many reasons, and it has attributes that make the commodity a good counterweight to traditional securities such as stocks and bonds. They see gold as a store of value even though it is a non-cash flow-producing asset. Some see gold as a hedge against inflation, as the Fed's actions to stimulate the economy, such as near-zero interest rates and government spending, have pushed up inflation. In today's video, we will share, according to Lynette Zang, what kind of gold and silver we should buy to take advantage of this recession. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss an update.
There's a certain level that you should keep in the bank so that you can maintain your account and whatever auto withdrawals you have, etc. There's a certain level of cash that you should keep out of the bank in your possession in case they do indeed freeze the withdrawals. But, beyond that, personally, I hold it in gold and silver, physical, in my possession, completely out of the system.
The spot gold market falls once you have the physical gold in your possession. It is out of the system and invisible to central banks. It's real money, and they don't want you to have it. Don't believe their lies either, because how many times can they lie to you when you don't know the truth? Always put your best interest first, no matter what they say. That's our reason for being. You should always try to protect yourself and really do something that benefits your family. Higher inflation makes them more vulnerable because people are starting to lose faith in the Federal Reserve. And when you look at the stock market and the real estate market, there is a certain level of pain. What we are going to find out is that there's a certain level of pain that I don't think they can tolerate. And then they're going to see another capo Fed. They will lower interest rates and print so much money that what they did in 2020 will look like nothing. It will look like money, and that will be the end of the whole system. They don't really care about the level of inflation one way or the other than its impact on their credibility with the public, because it's the last piece left and there's no saving the dollar. Money is junk. This high inflation shows you how fast purchasing power is going. There is a certain level that you must maintain in the bank in order to maintain your account and the automatic withdrawals that you have. There's a certain level of money that you need to keep outside the bank in your possession in case they actually freeze withdrawals. You also have some of the physical gold and silver in your possession, as it is completely out of the system. Because of the rise in the price of gold is an indication of a failing currency, and they don't want you to know about it, and it's that easy. The spot market represents gold, but it is a paper contract, so you can create as many paper contracts as you like with no restrictions. Prices for these metals have started 2022 strong, but a confluence of factors has held back price gains. When people invest in bonds, they have to take money out of other assets. Among these assets are gold and silver. Unlike bonds, they do not pay interest. Therefore, during periods of rising interest rates, gold and silver prices tend to fall. The U.S. Federal Reserve raised interest rates to combat record U.S. inflation. This has led investors to fear that the cure is worse than the disease. In other words, the United States could slip into a recession. There are not many certainties in the financial environment. However, it is certain that gold will remain a crucial asset for an investor's portfolio, despite possible changes in the market. Always consider investing in these precious metals in anticipation of their rising prices. By holding your gold and silver for the long term, you can expect to make a capital gain as the bullion price rises over time.
And we're treated like we're just cattle. That it's just for them. How much can they get out of us? What can they get out of us? And God forbid you should ever try and protect yourself and really do something that benefits your family and takes your wealth and your circumstance out of their, the 1%, the elite's control. I don't want them to control me. I don't want them to control you.
That's all for today. Let us know your views in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.